Excited because two medals in on two occasions, so it's a great achievement for any of the athlete, so extremely happy.
How difficult was her training, because she has been preparing for this Olympics from a long time? How difficult was her training all these years?
After COVID, it was difficult for all the players, but I am glad and happy that Suchitra Academy has given us some good backup. We stayed there in the rooms, and we practiced with some of the boys there during pandemic, where all the stadiums were closed, and after that we have shifted to the big stadium to get used to the bigger stadiums. You have seen the stadium, how big it is in Tokyo now. So she just transferred her practice sessions to the Gachibowli Stadium. I am thankful to state government of Telangana for providing the stadium with all the facilities. So especially to maintain the drift and all, AC and all. So that has really helped Sindhu to get a medal for the country.
PV Sindhu has created a history today. What does this medal mean for the family of PV Sindhu and for her especially?
No, history, okay. See, one way, history in the sense we are a bit disappointed that, she had practiced to, getting that gold, but we missed it. But, as a Olympian, as a athlete, getting individually 2 medals consecutively, and she's the first girl, as you said, it's a record. So it's not that easy for any sports person to maintain this level of fitness and getting medals to the country, and I'm so happy.
Today the whole nation is proud of PV Sindhu, that she's won bronze for India. She's an inspiration. What message would you like to give, sir?
So message, see, so many badminton players have seen Sindhu, the way she has worked, and I only wish that the players, badminton players, will definitely get themselves motivated by watching her, and they will also get a good name to the country by winning some medals at the international level.